All right, so now I'm going to show you how to set up enrollments. There's multiple ways you can set up enrollments. The first way either way that you're going to set enrollments, you're going to go into your administration bar, and you're going to go over here to users and enrollment methods. Once you click on enrollment methods, these are the options that you have for enrollments in your class. If you would like students to self-enroll, you're going to move self-enrollments to the top. This defaults to self-enrollment for students. Now you're going to click on the cog, and this allows you to set up a custom enrollment with a password. So you're going to allow new enrollments here. You're going to enable existing enrollments. So you can see that if you disable this will no longer work. So you can disable it if you would like. The people who have self-enrolled would then be suspended though, so you probably aren't going to want to do that. So down here you're going to put in whatever you want for your password. Usually I use something like a last name or something that's easy for them to remember. This is where you can take this to the next level if you would like. So let's say you want to use the same course and you want to teach it to different groups of students. You can actually set up enrollments that are in groups. If you just want everybody to have to enroll in the course, this is where you click here and put in a password. You're going to default to student. If you have this at 0, then they can be there forever. You could also, you could put an amount of time on each enrollment. Again, set it to 0. That means there's no number. Here, let's say you want to have a custom welcome message. You can set that up as well. So this gets you so students are able to enroll themselves in the course, and then you hit Save Changes. If you would rather students not enroll themselves in the course, you're going to delete the self-enrollments, which will only allow manual enrollments. Now, there's some things that you'll notice here. You can invite people as an enrollment key. So here you can have this, and you can add that method if you would like to send an invite to them. That probably takes a little bit more work again. I would just typically use self-enrollment rather than an invite enrollment. And you can have guest access. This is, if you want guest access with a password, this is where you turn on guest access. But the self-enrollment is how you get students to enroll in the course on their, by themselves. If you want to do manual enrollments, this is where you can just click. So this gets us back to our Add User screen. And what you can do is you can click on the role and you can search the person. So let's say you want to add, so if I want Sue Ford to be added to the equation, I can click here and then I can click Add. Let's say I want to have Carol Naylor added. I can click here, I can click Add. So it's really very quick. If you have 20 people, it's really pretty quick to manually enroll them yourself. Then you don't have to have a self-enrollment for them to remember. So it would be more work on your end, but there is less likely an opportunity for things to get messed up. That's how enrollments work on Moodle.